Hello and welcome back to another video from La Hueva. In today's video I will show you a very easy and simple tutorial. Here we have the T900 PRO MAX, which we will use as an example. We have talked many times and shown how to pair your watch, how to do a lot of things like activating social media, notification and much more. But the truth is we have never shown you how to remove or unlink your smartwatch from your phone once it has already been connected. So if you want to know how to do that, stay until the end of this video because we are going to explain it step by step. Step number 1 is to make sure your smartwatch is already connected to your smartphone. In this case, we were already in pairing process, but now we want to unlink the smartwatch from the phone. So what are we going to do in this case? So we go down to the bottom part of the app and we look for the option that says remove. Once we tap on remove, we will also tap on confirm. When you remove a smartwatch from your phone, all the data including call history and everything else is completely deleted from the smartwatch. This is something very important to know, especially if you plan to sell it or lend your smartwatch and you don't want someone else to see your personal information. This is the right way to do it. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like, a comment and share this video. That's all for today and see you in the next one. Bye bye.